I've used a lot of website builders over the years, and I have to say, despite every platform having a similar basic function, they are all very, very different at the same time. This time I'm going to be comparing Wix versus Squarespace to help you determine which website builder is the one for you. Speaking of help, I left a promo code for Squarespace in the description, so you don't need to worry about the prices too much since you'll be getting a hefty discount. Or you can scan this QR code on screen to get the same deal, since I know you're half watching, half scrolling. Let's start this website builder comparison with ease of use and AI. Now, both Wix and Squarespace use AI to help with website creation, and both offer a free option that I'll discuss a little bit later in the video. However, that's where the similarities end. You see, Wix primarily focuses on full AI site generation and has a powerful, complex generation. I'd say Wix is one of the best AI builder options for websites in the market. Squarespace, meanwhile, uses AI more as a tool to help with website editing. So naturally, the AI is much simpler and more guided. It's also more minimal than Wix, but it doesn't offer as many ways to build a website. This wouldn't be a Squarespace versus Wix comparison without mentioning templates, which are the staple for these platforms. I'm sure that you by now know that Wix has over 2,000 templates. It is mentioned in every Wix review and tutorial video, so it is hard to miss that fact. You also get the ability to get AI-generated layouts that are highly flexible but not always consistent. But if you are very indecisive, Squarespace's templates might be just for you. I mean, sure, there is over 100 of them, but they are extremely high quality, even having won awards. Awards! Website builder templates. Can you imagine? Personally, I'm a bigger fan of Squarespace's templates. Sure, there aren't as many of them, but they are very functional and just wonderful to look at. So I feel that if you want to start a business, Squarespace will help you build a website exactly the way you want it. Okay, now let's get to the fun part of this Wix versus Squarespace website builder comparison. The editing. This is the moment where you can spam your website with photos of your cat, and that's made especially easy with Wix's full drag and drop editor. You can also edit the website with AI when it comes to layout. Keep in mind that Wix itself has a lot to offer, and it can be too much, so take your time with everything. However, Squarespace has a more section-based, cleaner editing experience. In my opinion, it is the best option for beginners. Squarespace won't bombard you with 1,000 elements and some distractions, making it super comfortable to work with. Okay, let's circle back to pricing. Wix has a free plan, but it's got ads. So if you want a real professional project, paying is your only option. With the paid plans, you unlock the full AI e-commerce and marketing tool experience. Coming back to Squarespace, it has a 14-day free trial. Once you do get the plan, it's cheaper to run in the long term since almost all of the tools are built into the platform and don't require extra fees. And it's even cheaper if you're using my discount from the description. Speaking of money, there's no profit without proper marketing. Luckily, Wix offers advanced marketing and e-commerce tools aside from SEO. It has automation, abandoned cart recovery, and store scaling. Keep in mind, however, that some of these tools may have additional fees, so double check everything. And if you feel the features aren't enough, Wix offers over 800 apps. Most of them come at an extra cost though. Let's move to the SEO. Wix puts a lot of effort into improving your site's visibility and helping it rise to the very top of Google search results. But in terms of marketing and e-commerce tools, my Squarespace review coincides with what I've said about the platform so far. It's simple. The AI helps with product descriptions and setup. Most tools are integrated, and I'd even dare say that Squarespace is the best website builder for small, visual stores, services, or portfolios. If you want your marketing boosted even more, Squarespace has Unfold. It's an app that helps you create social media posts and stores from templates and AI. Now, keep in mind that Unfold is not integrated directly into the website builder, so you're going to have to download the app separately. So the Squarespace versus Wix battle has a winner, and that winner is, drum roll please, well, the one that best fits your needs. If you want a highly customizable website with tons and tons of options, apps, and AI tools, choose Wix. If you're a beginner who wants a visual, sleek-looking website that's really simple to build, choose Squarespace. And to save money, make sure to click the link in the description below and get an exclusive discount from Squarespace. Oh, and wait, subscribe while you're at it. Happy browsing, and I'll see you later.